The story of VHS begins in the late 1970s, when it revolutionized the way we consumed visual content. VHS, or Video Home System, was a magnetic tape-based format developed by JVC. It allowed us to record television shows, play movies at home, and even create our own content. The VCR, or Video Cassette Recorder, was the machine that brought VHS to life. Suddenly, families could record their favorite TV shows and watch them at their leisure. Home movies became a cherished tradition, and who could forget the iconic "Be Kind, Rewind" message, a reminder to return tapes in their original condition. This simple gesture fostered a sense of responsibility among moviegoers. The VHS era may be over, but its impact on how we consume media will never be forgotten. Rewinding history, we find that VHS was more than just a format. It was a chapter in the story of our lives, shaping the way we experience the world through the lens of a cassette tape. First, add your video into the timeline. Go to Transform and adjust the scale of the video to fit the panel. Click OK. Proceed by going to Effects tab and add the following VHS distortion effects. Highlight the effects and stretch them to match with the video. Click on your main video. Go to Effects tab. Then make the following adjustments. Click OK. Click the render icon.
I've been from the top of the moon. I can see the whole world sitting in my hand, I'm made of blue. We finna break the rules, then we gon' make them too. I can't promise if I gotta stand tall, that's what a leader do. Follow me, I'm leading you. Like we finna turn up, cranked up the heat and they finna burn up. Told them I'm coming, I'm ill, tell them they time up. I said it once, I'ma say it again, this he be my ill. I ain't most on no film, I know that